I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet, I know the reason why. Hi guys, and welcome back to my video. This week is a grocery haul. It's always a grocery haul when you see my face like this. Anyways, I spent $106 and a few cents. I don't know what the cent is. So far, it's been proven that I can do the $200 a month budget. I had to fill in. So with the fill-in, I spent about 50 bucks. So I'm thinking we're gonna be landing somewhere around 300 if I keep the rotating pantry system that I have going, which is buy only what I've used and buy only stuff that I need on a regular 2-week basis for the children. So if we stay within that, there's no way I can go wrong with that $300 a month for 7 people. Okay, with that said, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is what $105 look like. And let's get started here. So I got 2 packs of chicken, which was, this is $6.91, and it has a whole bunch of drumstick in here. So my idea and my thought process is, or was, to separate this into 2 meals. So I can get 2 meals out of this for 2 nights, and then another 2 meals out of that. So that's 4 days worth of meal. And then the other days we go, you know, totally vegan. Instead of getting the chicken breast that I usually get, I went really cheap and got beef bologna. And these were on sale. The children spotted them, and at first they were there for 66 cents, and the lady was like, well, if you wait a couple more seconds, they're gonna be even cheaper. So I grabbed 5 of them. Maddie already ate. Got some corn, cream style corn. I used this in our cheeseburger soup. Like I told you, we still have ground beef because we didn't make it last week. We got some corn here. We got some black beans because I used black beans last night in one of our meals, so I had to replace that. And then we have some corns because I used corn last week. Then we have some tunas because we ran out of tuna, so I got 6. We ran completely out of tuna, so I think maybe 12 of these will do for our family, because I noticed that we go through these pretty fast. And mainly my husband, Rob, usually use these for lunches, so I find that we're going through those pretty fast. And I don't know how he's gonna like this week, but whatever. We have some banana because this is staple. I can always throw it on some peanut butter sandwich for the children to make it, you know, not so plain. Then yogurt, you know, the kids love these in their lunches, so I have a whole bunch. I have peaches, I have strawberry, I have vanilla, I have blueberries, and I don't know how many I got. I just picked up celery stick. These are great for soup, children's lunches. I forgot to get raisin because I ran out. I was gonna do ants on a log, but the ants weren't nowhere to be found. I have some baby carrots for their lunches. I love to pair these together and make a nice little veggie cup for them with ranch. Then I got some apples, and I love this size because it's the perfect size for them to fit into their lunch bag. So this is a 3-pound bag, and I believe this was $2.97, so this was $3. This was 66 cents per cucumber. So this is like $1 something worth of cucumber. In my head, I don't know if it's worth it, but I picked it up because I can always switch out between this and this for their lunches. For vegetable, I got some lettuce for sandwiches because this can always spice up a boring sandwich. You just throw it on there and you feel like you're eating something fancy. I have some on-the-go tubes, and if you notice a trend, everything is great value. Nothing here is name brand, except for this. My Rob wanted sweet honey chipotle because he's about to grill, so he wanted this. So we paid $1.89. It was on sale at Martin's,
So I didn't get this from Walmart. We had to stop at Martin's to pick that up because I forgot it. I have some butter flavored syrup because we're out. I picked up some vegetable oil just in case we run out. We have some mandarin orange because I used the pack that I had here today for their lunches. Have some applesauce. I still have applesauce, but I figured now that everything is going low, I need to stack up. I have some butterscotch and chocolate here for their lunches. We have some sharp cheddar for our cheeseburger soup, quesadillas, grilled cheese, whatever you use cheese for. And we have some Cocoa Crunch here. This is Walmart brand of, you know, the popular cocoa cereal. We have long grain rice, 5 pounds. I wanted to splurge and get the basmati rice, which is like $17, but I didn't want to go over budget, so I just went ahead and got this, and it was like $2 something. So that's why I got this. But at some point next week, I want to go ahead and get the big bag of basmati from Walmart, which it lasts us about 2 months. This is frosted wild berry. I got 2 packs of this time because the children went through it the first week of this month. They went through it the first week, so I just got 2 packs. So I got the frosted strawberry and the wild berry. We have some sour cream and onion. These are $1.18 or $1.23. Then I got some chocolate cake because I want to make I find that their lunches, I can drop these in their lunches and it helps to fill them up if I make cupcakes out of these. And these are 88 cents at Walmart. So I just got 3 of these because I find that making cupcakes and putting those in their lunch for snack works. And plus other children are at their school have been asking for their cupcakes, so I think it's a hit around here. We got some milk. I should have got 2, but I'll probably pick up one we need because I don't want it to go bad. Then I got some sweet tea because I just wanted to spoil hubby a bit, because someone commented on here that I'm always being mean to him, and it's not about being mean, it's just that's just how we play around. And he loved me for who I am, and he doesn't mind my sarcasm or the jokes because you guys don't see when he's going at me. So yeah, but thank you for sticking up for him. I'm happy that there's someone out there that can stick up for my husband. I appreciate that. Pretzel mini twist. These I can always put peanut butter on and give the children. I was gonna get the stick, but they said they wanted these instead. And then we have some bowls. These are really good. 88 cents. This was $1.25. $1.25, I believe, or $1.45. A bit pricey, but. And then I got some gel snack. This was $2.40-ish. I don't remember. And then, you know, our staple in our home is these soup. So I got 24 of them. We still have some left over, but I wanted to stock up on these because these are our go-to thing. So that's what I got. And then I just got 60 large eggs. We went through the first pack really fast because that's what my husband uses for breakfasts, and also I use it for lunch and whatever. So we go through a lot of eggs. So this bad boy will be gone within a week. Guys, I knew I was missing a bag. I knew I was missing a bag, but I just couldn't figure out what I was missing. So I usually keep 4 finger breads in the pantry. I have 2, so I picked up 2 more. I already did that. Picked up some ranch because we're low on ranch. Sour cream because we're almost out. my favorite, chicken hot dog. And I got 2 cheese because last week I didn't like the fact that I didn't have yellow cheese. So I got 2 of these. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.